This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp is the name that pops up first in our mind when we think about chats and conversation. WhatsApp is available in over 40 languages and up to 60 on Android across the globe. But as a general rule, it follows the language of your phone. So what if you want to change your language on your WhatsApp? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. As you can see, my language on this is English and I want to change to another language. You can see there is an option app language. You can just tap on that. If you want to change to another language, you can just choose. Maybe for the example, I will choose to Dutch, German. So now as you can see, my language, the language in this app is changed to Dutch. It's a simple, right? So that is how to change language on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.